Hello guys, welcome back to another dating tip episode. I hope you are staying safe and healthy. Last week we talked about 3 proven tips for guys to know when dating a girl during this stressful pandemic. If you are chatting with someone during this quarantine time and you wonder what girls are thinking, you can click the link here to see how you can keep your date interested in you. For today's episode, I want to answer another dating question that I get asked a lot, which is how long do you date someone before you guys become exclusive? Some people will ask me, how many dates does it take for you to be exclusive with this person? Well, this question needs to be discussed in 4 layers. Layer number 1, let's talk about the definition of being exclusive with someone first. What does being exclusive mean to you? Does it mean that you are seeing this person only without chatting with anyone else? Kind of like a boyfriend and girlfriend situation. Or does it mean that you are seeing this person, but in the meantime, you are still chatting with other potentials? The reason why I want to clarify this is because one girl from my dating group told me that nowadays people seem to have different definitions about being exclusive. One of her dates asked her if she wanted to be exclusive with him after their 4th date, and she was very happy because she actually liked this guy a lot. But later, she found out that when he said being exclusive, he actually meant to be physically exclusive with her. But in the meantime, he still wanted to chat with other girls, just in case their relationship doesn't work out. She turned to me for advice, and I think it's such a big turnoff when a guy wants to be only physically exclusive with you and keeps his option open. So later we came to the conclusion that that was a no-go, and then she moved on. So after hearing her story, next time when someone pops this question to you, you might want to make sure that you both are on the same page before you say yes. I have friends who move forward with their dates so fast that they decided to be exclusive after going on 2 to 3 dates. Other people might take longer because this all depends on who you are and what you're looking for in your relationship. I might be a little bit traditional about this, so I would say 2 to 3 months is a good length for you to roughly know someone if you both see each other regularly and frequent enough, which leads to my layer number 2. And my layer number 2 is how often do you see your date? Because frequency is important too. Before we talk about how long you date someone, let's be more specific. How often are you seeing your date? If you date this person for 3 months, for example, it might sound like a long time, but if you only see each other once a month, that's only 3 times in total. How well do you know a person if you only see him 3 times? Not much, right? So the frequency you meet your date is important. If you take this seriously and you really want to know more about this person, then you should definitely meet regularly or often to see how you feel about each other instead of wasting time. I know with the pandemic, it's almost impossible to meet up with your date, but let's just pretend that there's no pandemic at the moment and we are just dating like usual. I know once a week is a good frequency to see your date, so you can have a good work, life, and dating balance. Some people meet up with their date more often than that, which is good because that way you'll be able to learn more about this person faster, which is why I personally prefer to date someone who's not too far from me, so it makes dating much easier. Okay, say you see your date once a week. If you date this person for a month, that's 4 times a week. And this leads to my layer number 3 about what is a good length of dating before you decide to be exclusive. My layer number 3, if you see each other once a week, then 2 to 3 months is a good length for you to roughly know about this person. Do you remember what was going on your first dates? Our first date is usually all about asking all the basic questions to kind of feel each other out, to feel the chemistry with this person, and you don't really remember too much about this person if you don't continue with this guy later. That's why having a dating momentum is very important to keep the flow going. After you date this person for 2 to 3 months, that is about 8 to 12 dates that you have with this person, which makes you more familiar and comfortable with this person after chatting for a while. And up to this point, you kind of know if you want to continue dating this person. For me, sometimes it took 4 to 5 months to feel comfortable and confident enough to decide if I want to be exclusive with this person. But again, I want to emphasize that everyone is different. Another reason why I say 2 to 3 months minimum is a good time frame for dating is because most people are not patient enough when it comes to dating. 1 month might be too short for you to find out who's serious and who's not. And people can easily fake their identity or their personality within 1 month. As you date this person longer, you'll be able to tell if he's legit through your interactions and your conversations. It will be harder for someone to hide their true temperament as you go through more things together down the road, which gives you a better idea about this person. For example, as you spend more time together, you both might disagree on some topics or challenge each other over your conversation. And this is a perfect timing for you to observe your date and see how he handles conflicts, how he expresses himself, and if he is a real deal. Throughout the 2 to 3 months of dating, aside from the 8 to 12 meetups, do you guys keep in touch when you don't see each other in between? And my layer number 4, is there a good and mutual flow of conversation in between your dates with this person? Other than the dates you go on, do you guys have a good flow of conversation in between your dates? Or do you mostly chat only when you see each other? I dated 2 guys who didn't like to text or talk on the phone before, so we basically only talk when we were on a physical date, which was not ideal for me because I like chatting with people on a daily basis or weekly basis. Chatting with your date through text or phone calls helps you to learn more about this person faster, so you can decide if you want to keep dating him. And it also allows you both to connect on a deeper level. Like I mentioned in a lot of my previous videos, that feeling mutual is so important, which means mutually interested and mutual contribution in terms of initiating a conversation or planning a date. So this will be another layer for you to consider before you decide if you want to be exclusive with this person. A good flow of conversation between you both is a good sign to start a healthy relationship. So next time when someone asks you to be exclusive, don't forget to consider the 4 layers that we just discussed today. The definition about being exclusive and the frequency of dating is important. And 2 to 3 months minimum is recommended. And number 4 is a good flow of conversation between you both is important too. Okay, so these are my 4 layers for you to consider before you decide to be exclusive with someone. I hope you find them helpful. If I'm missing anything, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like this video or subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos like this for you guys. If you want to join my Facebook dating group, you can click the link under this video. Again, thank you so much for spending your time in a day to watch this video, and I hope you are enjoying your dating so far. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye!